Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to do the soft glam look. Like I had already planned out a bold, colorful look, but I was like, lately I've been doing a lot of color, a lot of bold looks. So today I just decided to do something soft, like beautiful cut crease that I just love. It's rose gold-ish soft glam, and I just love it. I just love the way it came out, and I hope you guys enjoy and recreate this look. So firstly, to start off this look, I didn't use my normal eyeshadow base. I actually used my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan as an eyeshadow base. Eyeshadow I'm going to use for my ColourPop collection is this shade here. It's called The News. So I'm going to use this as my transition color. And I'm glad you guys have been enjoying my vlog. If you haven't seen it, it's up, my weekly vlogging pediatrics, and even though it got one dislike, like I got my first dislike, and guys, I don't know how to feel about it, and I think maybe I got that dislike because of the sound. I don't know. My next shadow that I will use is in the shade Get Out, and I will just put this on the outer V here. I'll first stack it on like that before I start blending out. I just prefer to stack on the colors so that I get as much pigment as possible. And yes, these eyeshadows have kickback, like serious kickback. So I just press this on and then I drag it into my crease to carve out my crease more. Then I go back to my transition color, to the brush that I used, if I can just find it. Here it is. So this brush, I go back and then I blend these colors into each other. Yesterday I put up a picture with the caption, "Sometimes walking away doesn't mean you are afraid, but walking away is for self-preservation." And honestly, I believe and I stand by that quote a lot, because the person who walks away lives to fight another day, and there are some situations in life that do not require you to fight. They just require you to walk away. And people will say that, yeah, walking away is not that easy. I find walking away pretty easy because my peace is important. Like I can mess with any other thing in my life, but my peace is everything. So walking away, it helps me, because when I walk away, firstly, deal with my tongue, which means I'll control what I say. I will not have that moment where I'll say something and regret it and be like, I wish I didn't say that. But it will be a thing of, I didn't say anything, I literally walked away. And then, is it in every situation? Of course not. There will be some situations where I'll be like, no, I will not walk away. Because sometimes when you walk away from certain things, people think, or people start to take you for granted and they feel like they can walk all over you. I know myself, I am a stubborn person. However, I can also be reasonable. I'm one person that I don't let my stubbornness control me. And it takes a lot for me to show you how stubborn I can be. In most cases, I don't like people to see my stubborn side, because it's not something that I am proud of. It's not one of my best traits. However, when the situation calls for me to walk away, I will put on my big girl panties and walk away from a situation. I will not give out my energy or my peace for things that I actually do not believe in, for things that I know will tamper with my peace. Guys, yo, my peace is everything, my peace is so sacred. I've grown to realize that part about me, that my peace is everything to me, because people will come for you knowing very well that they're actually not coming for anything serious but to destroy your peace, to take away your peace, because they are miserable and hence they need to transfer the misery to you. So I'm very, very, very overprotective when it comes to my peace, guys. Like, sometimes you can do the craziest things to me thinking that you will trigger me, but I will tell myself that, you know what, be still and just move on with your life. It's not worth it, because some things are just not worth it. Some things are just meant to make you look like the fool when someone tries to behave like they're a saint. The next shade I'm going to use is this rose gold copper shade here. It's in, the name is Come and Get It. I'm going to put it on the center of my lid and I'm just going to press it on. I'm not going to drag this. Okay, I'll drag it a little bit, but the whole aim is to just press it. And sometimes, you know, people will come for you or come to you because they know or they expect you to react a certain way so that they can take away your peace. And stop giving people that amount of power. Why are you giving people so much power over your life? Why? Take back that power, sis. Please take it back. Then to go into my inner corner, this inner part, I'm going to use my fave, Liar Liar. If you haven't seen this shade in my channel before, where have you been? Which means you've not been watching my videos and I don't know what you're trying to tell me or what you mean by it, but like, please watch my videos. And yeah, so I'm just going to put this at the inner corner like that. Oh, I love this color, guys. Ooh. Out of the whole set of eyeshadows that I bought, this one is the fave. I love it. From my fake Jacqueline Hill palette, I'm going to use this brown here, this dark brown here, like a little bit. I don't need a lot, just need a little. I'm just going to make this outer corner part a little bit darker than it was before, and then drag. And if you hear it, people speaking, it's my housemates. They're the ones making noise in the background. Yes, I stay with crazy people. I've already lined with a black liner. Then now I'm going to go back with the darkest shade that I used before. Blend that out. I'm going to use the other shade. Going to use the nudes to blend that dark shade out. The mascara that I'm going to use is the Maybelline Sensational. The lip I'm going to do just a simple pink lip with to line my lips. I'm going to use this Essence lip liner in the shade Honeyberry. Now, because I want my lips to be a bit dark in the inner corners, I want to line Maybelline Color Sensational Sharpening Lip Liner in the shade Rich Wine. Then I go in with my lip shimmer, the NYX lip shimmer, and I just in the shade Eurotrash, and I just put this in the middle, and I'm all done. Here you have it. Oh my gosh, did I say I'm all done? I'm not done. I lied. Inner corner. How the hell am I saying I'm all done without an inner corner? So today I'm going to use my first ever palette to do my inner corner. Like, this is the first palette that I ever bought. It's the Essence Nudes palette. And this morning when I was going to school, I used this shade as my inner corner, this white shimmery shade, and it was so beautiful. So I just want to use it now and see. Yes, do you see that? Ooh, so gorgeous. There. Now I'm done. So here's the look, you guys, the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, we had fun with my soft glam look. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Like, guys, please subscribe, like, please, please. And yeah, join the family so that you can see more glamorous things. And also you'll see more vlogs of me here. And yeah, it's summer, so I'm going to be vlogging more since it's gonna be all beautiful and green outside. So yeah, I'll be vlogging more, and I'll be actually having some activities to do since it is summer and there's a lot of things to do out there. So I'll be going out. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Love from me to you. May the good Lord ever stay blessing you.